Yeah, I know it's been 2 years, probably anyway, and back to the Zundapp KS600 very soon. I've sorted out everything I need to sort out, moved house and all that kind of stuff. And now I've just been sorting out all the parts to go on with it. You can see here that it's loosely assembled. None of this is actually bolted together other than the engine. I just thought you'd be interested to see where I am with it before I upload more videos. This is how it stands at the moment. I'm going to get the engine running next, I think. You can see over here that it's all just loose. There's only one spring in that side. Need to fix that on down there. Make sure the wheel's central. Got all these parts over here, look. It's always nice to rummage, isn't it, for everyone's box of spare parts. This is full of Zundapp parts as well. There's a few more down there for the front headlight. So we're getting there. Hoping should start putting the videos back up to get this finished. Perhaps in the next month, maybe a little bit less. Anyway, that's where I am at the moment.